Hello again. So right now we will discuss how we could solve this graph. So this is for advanced algebra and functions. So we are given with a graph of function y. We have here the graph of y is equal to a function of x as shown in the xy plane below. So this is the graph, the given graph. If we look at the graph, it has here an intersection on the -2. It also intersects as it goes up. It intersects at x equal to 4. So there is an intersection at x equal to -2. And on the other side, there is an intersection at x equal to +4. And the question here is, which of the following equations could define the function x? So which of these four choices you think will define the function x, f of x? So before we will pick which one of these four, we will first analyze the graph. So again, if we check the parabola, it passes through these coordinates. Now, the coordinates of -2 for x and y equal to 0. And it also passes through another point which has x equal to 4 and y equal to 0. So these are actually not intercepts. And when we look at it again, we could actually compute the symmetry or the midway of it. So if we have -2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So that is where the middle is. So if you go back to the graph, so we have here, this is actually, that's 2, and the side here is 4, right? So it's actually 4, right? So the middle for that is actually here. This is the middle, right? That is where the middle is. Because when you count from here to there, that's actually 3. You count from here to there is also 3. So the middle is here. And if you notice, when you bring it down, that middle would actually intersect this one, which is the vertex of the parabola at -9. So at 1, which is the symmetry of the parabola, that's the symmetry of the parabola. And when you project it down, it goes down to its vertex, which is on y equal to -9. So that is how our parabola looks like. Okay, we analyzed our parabola before we could pick which of these equations is true. Now that we have analyzed the parabola, let us look at its options individually. So in option D, this is what is written in option D. F of x equal to, this is from option D. So if you go back here, this is option D. So we will analyze each option one by one. Let's start with letter D and C, B, and then lastly for A. So let's start for D, and let's see if D would pass or fulfill our equations. So let's start with letter D. So for letter D, if you look at the formula for letter D, this formula here, it is actually a formula in vertex form. Well, this is the formula. Look at this formula. It looks like the vertex formula, right? Like in here we have a minus hx squared, which is this, and we have here the k, which is -9. See, k minus 9. So from this formula here for letter D, the sign of A tells us the direction of the parabola where it opens. And in this case, the sign of A is actually -1. So if A is greater than 0, this is the rule. If A is greater than 0, then the parabola opens upward. If A is less than 0, then it opens downward. Now let's check. Since A is less than 0, here it's actually here. The A is actually -1. Since A is -1 for letter D, which is less than 0, then the parabola opens downward. So it is upside down. So letter D alone is wrong already. Letter D is wrong because our given parabola, it actually opens up. So if you look at here, see the parabola opens up. But for letter D, that equation for letter D, this one, actually describes a parabola that is opening down. So that means D should not be the answer for this. D should not be the answer because that equation defines a parabola that is opening downward, right? So we don't need that. Let's go for letter C. Letter C has this equation for fx, x minus 2. So fx is equal to x minus 2 times x plus 4. We can actually compute the roots for this, right? So if you equate this to 0, so x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0, you can solve for values of x equal to 2, and x equal to minus 4. And this actually doesn't match our intercepts. Remember, if you look at our intercepts, it intercepts at negative 2 and positive 4. Here we have x at equal to 2 and minus 4, which is actually wrong. So that means letter C is not the answer. All right? Because it doesn't match the given diagram of intercept, right? Let's go to letter B. Let's see if letter B would now satisfy. Would letter B the answer now? So letter B has this option. F of x is equal to this. Minus x squared plus 2x minus 8. All right. Here we can also solve the roots, We can also solve the roots, Okay, so from the given x squared minus 2x plus 8, you can rewrite it like this because you can, of course, factor it. So you can factor this one into x minus 4 times x plus 2. You factor it. Once you have factored it, you can equate each factor to 0 to solve for x. So when you equate it to 0, so when you equate this one to 0, it would give you x equal to 4. When you equate this to 0, it would give you an x equal to minus 2. So the roots are 4 and minus 2. All right, so it would be 4 and minus 2. So roots are 4 and minus 2. It matches the intercept on the graph. So it indeed matches the the intersection on the graph, right? Because it has negative 4 and no, it has positive 4 and negative 2. It matches the given graph, right? It matches the given graph. So that's all right. However, all right, it passes to that now. All right. Oh, by the way, this is already for A, right? This is for A already, right? We are actually going for A. So therefore, option A matches the intercept and the vertex. So when we have this one, this is actually for option A. So this is option A. That's for option A. Yeah, so for option A, the intercepts actually matches in the given figure. Therefore, the only answer is option A or letter A. So the rest of the options there are wrong. See in here, these three are actually wrong, and the only one left is actually this one. So this is the answer, right? So letter A is the answer. All right, we will be discussing more problems like this in the future. So give me a follow, and thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you again next time. All right, you take care.